Hello, hi. My name is Vivek and I'm a data architect. So I started off this channel to help people who'd want to venture into data engineering and designing data intensive applications or big data applications. Over the year, I have gained some knowledge working with different systems on different domain, starting from on-prem to cloud-based big data applications. So thought I'll create this channel to share some of the design level information I know and uh, thought I could give to the community and some of the Python based tricks as well. So I'll start off with Python based videos so that it can be helpful for beginner or intermediate or even advanced developers. So yeah, thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking a look at my videos. If you like my content, please subscribe and give a like. And yeah, I'll see you there. Thanks.